Okay, we got a no cooling call. Looks like they do have Clemson flag and sticker on their car here, so they're gonna get a discount. Let's go see what we can do for them. And it is apparently not cooling, but the fan is blowing inside, and the fan is not blowing outside, so that was the report we were given, and it was accurate because we got nothing here. So let's open it up and see what's happening. There's my toolkit. And no, Joe, no fingernail clippers today, not as of yet. Let's see what we got. Okay, so I opened it up. These look awful close up there. And that's what I saw. So somebody has took them a radiator clamp, radiator hose clamp, and rigged them up something there. I guess there's a screw in the middle of it because it's better than nothing. Better than laying it there in the box. So we are getting no low voltage signal, I would think. But let's check and see. And we're gonna have to go under the house, I guess, maybe. Both sides of this contactor, and I am getting nothing. Up. So it's the common that we're losing because we have voltage to one side. So for whatever reason, yeah, it's feeding through the coil, so we got hot coming out here and no common. So let's go follow this wire inside and figure out what's happened. All right, well, I know we're over here for air conditioning, but there is the vent with tape all over it, coming from the 80% carrier furnace under the house. So obviously this little single wall 30 gauge duct elbow was broken, and somebody even knew about it and put a bunch of mastic tape on it. Look at that. Well, I'll tell you what now, some people are willing to do anything just to get in and get out. That's terrible. So we're gonna have to disable the heat while we're here, and for those of you that don't think we should do that, I don't care. Think what you want, but we're gonna cut the white wire or snatch it off the board, whatever, and inform the customer that I do not want them to die when they cut the heat on next winter and let it exhaust under the house. See, quite a bit of stuff here we need to bring to their attention. However, let's continue looking and find the 2-wire that goes outside. It went under the plastic right there. Here's what comes out from under the plastic. So, could be because of this condensate pump not being operable. foot. Lord, look at that. So that looks like the pump's running. I don't know if it's doing anything or not. Get both hands on the wheel here. Alright, well, just as we thought, we hooked the wires back together and contactors pulled in now. So before we power it back up, let's see what's going on with this noise and get it straightened out. Alright, so I can see what they did. And there's nothing wrong with it really, if they would have mounted them better. But all they had was a 50 plus 5. And this machine calls for a 50 and it has a 7.5 on the fan. So they just went over to the common with a jumper and then hooked their fan to the 7.5 and strapped the two together and stuck them in there. There's nothing really wrong with that. And I guess if you tighten that down pretty good, that'd be all right. But anyway, so I've got the right one, cheap China one, but I got a 50 plus 7.5 and we're gonna put that in and mount it and get it back up and running. Then we're gonna talk to them about the condensate pump and the flue pipe and see what they want to do. All right, so we just mount them with the plumbing strap. That's just what we like to do. Got the hermetic on, fan back, got the 50 plus 7.5. So let's see if she'll fire up and then we'll go in there and talk to him about the rest. Okay, back up and running. Check the R22 right quick, and beyond that it's going to be up to the customer exactly if they want repaired or not. It needs a condensate pump and the flue pipe repaired at the very least. I'm going to suggest some upgrades. This is actually some people we care about, so it's what you might call a friend of a friend type thing. I'm not sure why the chicken wire wrapped around the line set. Apparently somebody's dog used to like to chew on that stuff, and most homeowners think this insulation really does something, you know, other than prevent sweating. So anyway, let's go talk to them and see what we got. Put the gauges on it real quick first. It's pretty good. Right at 70 on the low side and 180, 185 on the head pressure. So pretty good, the old R22 thing here. Alright, so let's get unhooked here. It does not need refrigerant, and get some decisions. Okay, so we spoke to the homeowner there, and they know they need some further work done, and she's going to talk with her husband tonight and make some decisions as to which way we want to go. If we're going to patch up what they got, then we'll go back over there with some double wall pipe and some fittings and a condensate pump, and a couple hours time we'll straighten all that out and clean it all up. And if they decide to go another route, then we'll get them a nice new train system in there and bring them into the world of comfort and efficiency. So I will keep you posted if we have an updated video, and we are on to the next one. Thanks for watching.